It's been a year since the gruesome discovery of Nithari, and the Central Committee that was inquiring into the killings of the village near the capital has said that victims' families did not receive any support or cooperation from the administration or the community until the crimes started getting nationwide publicity. That perhaps remains the single most important reason why so many children had to fall victim to a single psychopath. Will these marginalized parents remember their children a year on after the Nithari killings?
It's their way of paying tribute to their children. Children whose remains were unearthed exactly a year ago from behind this bungalow at Nithari. Families of the victims felt choked with both emotion and anguish, linked together by a cry for justice. While they pray so that their children could rest in peace, they also want the guilty to be punished. But not everyone who lost their children to the serial killings was present at the ritual. Karanveer lost his 20-year-old daughter last year. Madhu's wedding had been fixed, but before the family could celebrate, they had to mourn. Madhu's remains were found in the heap dug out of the drain behind Muninder Singh Pandhe's residence. The family wants death for the killers.
हमारा हवन जब भी होगा जब पंडेर को फांसी लगेगी, उन दोनों को, मोनिंदर और सुरेंद्र को, दोनों को फांसी लगेगी, हम लोग जब भी हवन करेंगे.
Madhu's sisters shudder as they talk about the house of horrors.
मुझे वहाँ पर जाते हुए भी डर लगता है, क्योंकि हमारी बहन तो मर दी, फिर अब मैं भी मर जाऊंगी तो फिर मेरे मम्मी पापा कैसे लेंगे.
But Madhu's father is hopeful that someday he'll get justice, though he alleges the CBI didn't do what it was supposed to.
वैसे जो है CBI उन्हें भरसक कोशिश में लगी हुई है बचाने की, क्योंकि अभी तक 11 क्लीन चिट दे चुकी है CBI उन्हें. हमारे 2-3 आदमियों के अभी तक बयान हुए हैं. उम्मीद है हमें नए साल में इसे सजा होगी.
Their pain finds an echo throughout Nithari, practically in every household that lost its children, and the terror that struck their lives a year ago just refuses to go. A year gone by since the brutal killings emerged in the Nithari village, families like that of Karanveer are waiting for justice. They say they will fight till the end, but considering the pace of investigations and flip-flops of key witnesses, that seems like a distant dream. With camera person Arif, Sakshi Talwar for NDTV.